okay, I like to thank Kanye. And my nigga Diesel from giving me this diesel like a F-350.